Afghanistan has suffered for decades. Foreign powers have used it as a battlefield. But real freedom is possible, not through nuclear weapons, not through war, through education, through hard work, through smart planning. In this video, I will step by step explain what Afghanistan is supposed to do if they want to achieve real freedom, to become truly independent and strong. The most important thing, first, is opening all schools and universities for female students. Imagine a human body. It has two hands. The right hand is the men, the left hand is the women. If only the right hand works and the left hand is tied behind the back, the body cannot achieve real strength. It cannot fight well, it cannot build well, it cannot succeed. But if both hands work together, if both hands are strong and free, then the body can achieve anything. That is Afghanistan today. Half of the population, the women, are not allowed to learn, not allowed to work, not allowed to contribute. That is like cutting off one hand. No country has ever become powerful by keeping half of its people in the dark. So the very first step is this. Open schools for girls immediately at all levels, primary, secondary, university. Train female teachers, build female-only classrooms if needed, but do it. Because without the left hand, the right hand will always struggle. Let's talk about the core of what I am going to talk about. A country becomes stronger when it can feed its people, when it can educate its youth, when it can create jobs, produce energy, protect its borders, and manage its own money. Afghanistan's development must focus on self-reliance, private sector growth, accountable government, and reducing dependence on foreign aid. Real strength does not come only from weapons. It comes from people, institutions, and smart strategy. What are the basic needs? What is the foundation? Before anything else, Afghanistan must meet the most basic needs of its people. These are not luxuries. These are the floors of a strong nation. First, food security and agriculture. How to do it? Step 1. Build small check dams and large reservoirs to catch rainwater and snowmelt. Step 2. Train farmers in drip irrigation. This uses less water but grows more food. Step 3. Build cold storage rooms near farms so crops do not rot before they reach markets. The Kushtepa Canal is a major project. It can turn desert into farmland. Support it. Clean water and sanitation is extremely important for Afghanistan. How to do it? Step 1. Dig deep wells in every village. Use solar-powered pumps. Step 2. Build simple water treatment plants near cities. Remove dirt and germs. Step 3. Teach every family how to keep water clean at home. Boil it, cover it. Electricity and energy in Afghanistan. Install solar panels on rooftops of schools, clinics, and mosques. Start small. Build small hydropower plants on rivers. One plant can power a whole district. Connect villages into mini grids so they share power. Afghanistan imports over 70% of its electricity. That must change. The healthcare of Afghanistan. Turn empty government buildings into local clinics. One clinic per 10,000 people. Train community health workers in 6 months. They give basic medicine and vaccines. Send mobile health vans to remote valleys. Each van has a nurse and basic medicines. The transport and logistics of Afghanistan. Fix the worst potholes on roads connecting provincial capitals. Build small warehouses at district centers. Farmers store crops there. Open one bus route per province to move people and goods cheaply. The banking and finance for Afghanistan. Let every mobile phone user open a digital wallet. No bank branch needed. Train shopkeeper to accept digital payments. Give them a small bonus. The government pays salaries through mobile money. No cash, less theft. Education should be number one priority for Afghanistan. No country has ever developed without education. This is the most important priority, more important than any weapon. Now, how to do it? Step 1. Reopen every closed school building. If the roof is damaged, fix it with local labor. If it is schools of girls, open all of them. If they are universities, open all of them. Step 2. Hire retired teachers and university students as temporary teachers. Pay them monthly. Step 3. For girls, hold classes in morning and afternoon shifts. Use separate entrances if needed. Step 4. Broadcast lessons on radio and television for villages without schools. Step 5. Start vocational centers in every district. Teach welding, solar repair, phone repair, sewing. Why female education matters again. Countries that educate women grow faster economically. They have healthier families. They reduce poverty dramatically. When you educate a woman, you educate a whole family. Bangladesh did it. So can Afghanistan. Do anything that is possible to obsess the people of Afghanistan with education. Modern technology, which is the great equalizer. Advanced technology helps poor countries catch up quickly. First, internet and telecom expansion. Allow private companies to build mobile towers in small towns. Give them tax breaks. Use satellite internet for very remote areas. One dish can serve a whole village. Train young people to repair phones and install cables. Create local tech jobs. Mobile banking and digital payments. Allow the youth of Afghanistan to create YouTube channels, Facebook pages, TikTok accounts so that they can create content and work for your country so that it can be recognized on international level and the people can receive money through ads. Mobile banking and digital payments. The central bank issues licenses to mobile money companies. Every government fee and tax payment goes through mobile money. Farmers receive payments for crops directly to their phones. Smart agriculture. Set up a free weather text message service. Farmers get daily updates. Distribute simple soil moisture sensors. They show when to water. Build community cold storage. Farmers share it. E-learning and telemedicine. Record lessons from best teachers on video. Share via USB sticks and phones. Train nurses to video call a city doctor for difficult cases. Economic development. Breaking from foreign aid. The most crucial step is breaking the cycle of foreign aid dependency. Afghanistan must stand on its own feet. Agriculture exports. How to do it? Step 1. Focus on one or two cash crops like pomegranates, saffron, or almonds. Help farmers form cooperatives. They sell together for better prices. Build one packing house per province. Clean and pack fruits for export. Mining. Publish all mining contracts online. Full transparency. Step 2. Require foreign companies to build a local processing factory for every mine. Step 3. Train Afghan geologists and engineers. Send them to study abroad on mining scholarships. Domestic industry. Identify 5 products Afghanistan imports the most, like cement, cooking oil, textiles. Give tax breaks and cheap electricity to factories that make those products inside Afghanistan. Government buys local products for its own use. Uniforms, furniture, food. Trade hub. Simplify border crossing procedures. One forum, one stop. Build a dry port near each major border crossing. Truck load and unload there. Small businesses. Create a small loan program. No collateral needed for loans under $500. Set up business incubators in cities. Free workspace and advice for 1 year. Infrastructure, which is the backbone. Without infrastructure, nothing works. Electricity. Map every river for small hydropower potential. Build the easiest 5 first. Offer subsidies for home solar panels. Pay back over 2 years. Roads. Create a national pothole repair team in every province. Employ local youth. Prioritize roads that connect farms to markets. Measure by number of farmers served. Water. Rebuild old canals using local labor. Pay workers with food rations. Build underground rainwater harvesting tanks at every mosque. Use for drinking. Strong government and rule of law. A country cannot progress without stability and trust. Publish every government budget online. Show exactly where each dollar goes. Create an independent anti-corruption hotline. Anyone can report bribery anonymously. Judge corruption cases in public. Broadcast verdicts on radio. Include all ethnic groups in government hiring. published diversity numbers. Security and defense. Pay soldiers on time and directly to their mobile money accounts. No commanders taking cuts. Train soldiers in civilian skills like road building. They work in peacetime. Create local police forces from each village. They know the people. Energy independence. Sign international agreements for peaceful nuclear energy, only for electricity. Build small solar and wind farms first, fast and cheap. Geopolitical strategy. Formally declare permanent neutrality, write it into the constitution. Refuse any military base from any foreign power. Trade with everyone. China, Pakistan, Iran, India, Russia. Do not pick sides. Every mining contract must say, process inside Afghanistan or no deal. Hire international auditors to check all resources revenues. Regional cooperation. Join every water sharing agreement with neighbors. Share data openly. Hold regular meetings with all neighbors about trade and security. National unity and identity. Create a national holiday for unity. Celebrate all ethnic traditions together. In schools, teach a common history that honors all groups. On national TV, show heroes from every ethnicity. Reducing foreign influence. Over 5 years, reduce foreign aid by 20% each year. Replace with local taxes. Build at least one factory in each province. Produce what the province needs. Train customs officers to collect proper taxes. No more smuggling. Phased roadmap, year by year. Phase 1, consolidation. Years 1 to 3. Open girls' schools within 6 months. Launch Kushtipa Canal. Sign mining contracts with transparency clauses. Train 10,000 community workers. Install solar power in 50 villages. Phase 2, growth. Years 4 to 10. Build 5 small hydropower plants. Achieve 5G in all provincial capitals. Reform university curriculum. Double agricultural exports. Phase 3, integration. Years 11 to 20. Become a regional trade hub. Process all minerals inside Afghanistan. Fully independent budget with no foreign aid. Development takes time. South Korea was poorer than Afghanistan in 1950s. Germany was in ruins. Singapore had nothing. They succeeded because they focused on education, strong institutions, and smart planning. Afghanistan can do the same.